Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to scan and create QR code on mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and if we want to scan QR code, we can use Google Lens or Google Camera. You can go to your Google application, and this is how the Google Lens or Google Camera looks like. And I'm going to click on this camera icon, and here we'll be able to use the Google Lens to scan QR code. You can click on the camera, and then you can scan with this Google Camera, or you can also upload QR code from your gallery. I'm just going to scan this QR code. Okay, and after that we will get the link of this QR code. And if you want to create QR code guys, you can use Canva application. I'm just going to copy this link, and I'm going to create QR code with this link. Wait, oops, sorry. I'm going to copy the link. Okay, and I'm going to open my Canva application to create QR code. We can create new design in Canva. I'm just going to click on this plus button to create new design. I'm going to select this ratio. Okay, and I'm going to show you how we can generate QR code with Canva. We can go to the apps menu. You can scroll all the way to the right and find the apps menu and search for the QR code. Just type in QR code like this guys. Okay, and you can choose this one, and I'm going to enter the link right here. Okay, then just click on generate code and hold on until the QR code has been generated. Okay, and I'm just going to go back to my design, and this is the QR code we have just generated with Canva. Alright guys, and that's all the way to scan and create QR code. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.